A common need a lot of organizations have is to track things that happen on your paywalls. For example, in the one that we're looking at here, perhaps a product manager wants to know, when do people tap standard or when do they tap pro? That way they can look at their analytics and optimize their paywalls. Well, in Superwall, this is really easy. You can use the concept of custom placements to do this. So you'll look at the buttons that I have here. I've set up two things on these segment controls. One is they select a product, right? And that's key here because that's what this segment control is meant for. But you can use more than one tap behavior in Superwall when you're editing a paywall. And the next one that I've added is a custom placement. And you can name it, and I did tap standard as the name. So what's going to happen is when they tap that custom placement will fire, and the same thing happens for the Pro button too. You can see I added a custom placement and I called it did tap Pro. So what you can do is over in Superwall with your Superwall delegate, there is a function called handle Superwall event with info. And you can look for the custom placement event and then you could forward it to your analytics. So at this point, you would forward it here using whatever analytics service you use, Mixpanel, Amplitude, etc. So I'll go ahead and run this just to show you how it's working. So my app fires up, and when I toggle between those two segments, we should get this print statement executing. And that way we'll know that the custom placement is firing. So this is loading up here. We'll wait for that. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to go ahead and clear out the console so this is easier to see. I'll take a Pro action, and there is my paywall. So you'll see when I tap Pro and when I tap Standard, those two events are coming through, and I can forward that to my analytics engine. So it's that easy. You can use custom placements for a lot of things. Tracking paywall interactions is a common one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.